What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today is cover Thursday's recap and go right into tomorrow's game plan. So, guys, you've seen these violent moves this whole week from Monday to the end of today's session. Why do you think that is? I tell you why it is. They line Powell up for the end of the week, and that's why you getting these violent burst up and you getting these violent downside moves because of everybody with the anticipation of Fed Powell. We know what the homie Powell can do to the markets. We know when he's in the building, and when it's a sighting of him, the markets go crazy. Do not get caught up in that nonsense. We know how to act when data is ready to drop. We treat this the same way. We sit back, we chill, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get out there and we take the money that Wall Street is going to try to throw at us. We just got to make sure that we got our I's dotted and our T's crossed. So that being said, guys, Fed is at 10 o'clock. You got new home sales at 10 o'clock as well. Who cares about that? Even though it will move the market, not like the homie Fed Powell. So guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification and staying on top of these plays. So newbies and beginners, we're going to do it for you guys first. We're going to go ahead and start the day with INTC. Man, I see a whole bunch of red in here. They popped it to start with, and then guys, look, you see this double top over here? Anytime you see that right there, you know it's ready to be danger. That should be that red flag flying around in the air. You know it's ready to go down, and that's exactly what happened. Boom, boom. That is a crazy drop right there, and it didn't stop. Had that little ditty out, can't stop, won't stop. It kept on. It had the little boom right here, and if you look at the blue line right here is my VWAP. They got rejected at that VWAP. It was time to get right back in the puts. Boom. And as you see, they're sitting at 2015 right now. So if you are a bull, you want to see them take over this shelf level right here at 2045. They got to get back to 2045 to get some stuff going. I mean, if you're trying to scalp this play right here, it is a mini little shelf level at 2023. 2020, if you will. They break that, that's your next level that I just called out. If they break that one up there, you want to see them come to 2075 and test that area. If they get the break at 2075, guys, that's the area. If you really want to play this play and get make some money on the upside, you want to see them break there. If they break there, they running back up to this level up here at 2145. So there you go. With INTC, if you are a bull, if you are a bear, simple. You want to see 20 even get taken out. They can take out that. They coming back much lower. Next play up is Nike. Guys, Nike has been doing its thing. It's grinding. It's still making money. As long as this play don't fall under 82.30, we going to keep eating in this play right here. Because Nike, they shot this morning. If you look at that, boom, they ran this thing to 84.65. I thought that they were going to 85 right there. I was like, man, we almost there. But, they ran it back down. And as you see, we're sitting down here at 83.41. Man, that's still a good day in Nike. They still didn't violate any of the targets that I was saying that if they violate, we're going to go ahead and kill that play and turn it back to a bearish play. But right now, we still sitting higher than all my downside levels. I still like it to the upside. If you are a bull and you playing this on the daily, you want to see shelf level at 83.65 get taken out. They can break 83.65. You got 84 level. You want to see them break that. They break that. They head it back up to this stuff again to test 84.65 before they next move. So if you are a bear, you want to see these 83.20 levels get taken out. They can take out that level right there. They coming back down to 82.75. They break that, they coming down lower. We'll handle in real time whenever that happens. Last ticker for the newbies and beginners, changed it up a little bit. We're going to throw Hood in there this time. With Hood, if you are a bear, you want to see 1985 get taken out. They can take out 1985. You coming back down to this level right in here at 1970. They break 1970, they come in lower. This is where you want to see them come down to. You want to see the break at 1950. They can break 1950, they come in much lower. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this level right here at 2005 get taken out. They can take out 2005. You got this level right up in here at 2020. They break 2020. You come into this level. 2035 get taken out. They can take out 2035. They going much higher. So guys, that's it for the newbies and beginners. I hope you took notes. You see these levels come through tomorrow, you know what to do. I put in yesterday's video. I said, guys, let me know in the comments what you want to see. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll pull it up in one of my future videos. Somebody said they wanted meta, so here you go. Don't never say D-Fresh don't care, D-Fresh care. So I'm giving it to you. You called out meta, here you go. With meta had that big pop up. Boom, 544.19, and what happened? They start coming down, they start chopping around VWAP, and you know what happens when you can't hold VWAP. Boom, they ran it down to the 200. Guys, if you watch my videos, what do I tell you? What happens when we in a downtrend and we come to the 200? My white line is the 200. What happens? We get in that rejection, and if you a scalper like me, if you a day trader like me, you already see that play coming and you like, man, I see it coming. I'm ready to throw a call in there. It always overshoot it for a little bit. So I'll jump in somewhere around here and boom, ride that thing up. You know they're going to test VWAP again. So they made it back to VWAP and got smacked again. Now, don't use that same philosophy on the way back down again, because if they go back and retest 9 times out of 10, they're going to go ahead and go through it. And that's exactly what they did. And then they tried to run it back up. They couldn't. At the power hour, it looks like at closing, they ran it back to the 200. So they're sitting at 532.60 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 534.10 get taken out. They can take out 534.10. You know, we got another level at 535.80. They can break that. We got a chef level at 538.25. And then they're going to try to run this thing back up to these levels right in here. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 528.60 get taken out. They can take out 528.60. Hello, 525.75. And ultimately, you want to see this level right here at 522.80 get taken out. They can take out that. They coming back down to 520.518. Next play up is going to be Nvidia. They had to pop up. I had this level at 130.65. If they break that, they was going to run up. They couldn't. They got smacked, and they got smacked hard. Boom! They ran that thing all the way down to 124, and they wasn't done. They ran it all the way down to 123. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 125.30 get taken out. They can take out 125.30. You got 125.90 on deck. That's where you want to see them take out if you are Nvidia. 126.90. They can break that right there. They're going to run this thing up to this test at 130.70. If you are a bull, you want to see all of that good stuff happen right there. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 123.05 get taken out. They can take out 123.05. They can keep dropping lower. They're going to try to bring it down all the way to this level right over here at 122.35. And ultimately down in this area right here at 116.65. Guys, if you are a bear, you want to see 123.10 get taken out. They can take out 123.10. You got 122 even. They're going to try to bring this thing back to this level right in here at 117.90. Well, let's just say 118.55 before the lower stuff. So we're going to go ahead and close this thing out with SPY. SPY ran up. You had that big pop up. They got to 563.14, and man, they came back to VWAP and just, man, lost control. Boom! Ran that thing all the way down. They overshot the 200 right there. So guys, all strategies don't work all the time. I gave you a strategy at the 200, but perfect example where you got to have your stop loss in play to protect you. If you would have took that play here and got in, they overshot it, they ran it back up right there. But that's why you play your stop loss, because if you wrong, that stop loss is gonna protect you, because no trader is gonna be 100% all the time. But we use our tools that the market gives us to protect us against catastrophic losses. But they did come down. If you didn't have that stop loss in, you was able to break even and make a little bit more money, because they did run back to VWAP and they got smacked down. And that's exactly what they did in the previous play I showed you. They overshot it. They ran the VWAP. And I say, if they run it to VWAP and they come back to test that 200, don't use that strategy right there, because look what they did. Boom, they ran it all the way down and came back. So if you are a bull, what you want to see is this level right here at 558.50 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You got a shelf level at 560.05. They break that right there. They gonna try to run back to 561.22 before ultimately trying to boom this thing to 563.20. If you are a bear, you want to see 555 get taken out. They can take out 555. They running this thing down to 553.85. And we'll handle in real time once these levels are violated. Guys, Fed Powell can change every bit of these levels. So we know what we don't do in plays. We don't marry any play, because you can get smoked in an instant, and we don't like that. Tomorrow needs to be a level to level day. A see profit, take profit day. If you're not going to do that right there, I suggest you sit on the sidelines, because you're going to be crying at the end of the day talking about how you lost money. And we don't want to do that, because what do I say? We are no fans at giving money back to Wall Street. They ain't getting it. Not today, not ever. But guys, I done took enough of your time already. But hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic, technical analysis breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, INTC, Nike, Hood, go ahead and tap into our Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.